Hey there, science fans. Welcome back to Do You Know? Today, we're going on a fascinating journey to explore how antivenom is made. From snake bites to life-saving medicine, we'll take you behind the scenes to show you the incredible process of creating antivenom. So let's get started. Step 1. Venom collection. This is probably the most intense part of the process. Trained professionals like this snake handler carefully extract venom from venomous animals like snakes, spiders, and scorpions. I have to admit, I'm a bit squeamish around snakes, but these professionals are true heroes. They're helping to save countless lives by providing the venom needed to make antivenom. Once the venom is collected, it's processed to extract the venom proteins. This involves steps like trifugation, filtration, and purification. This is where the magic happens. Scientists use specialized equipment to break down the venom into its individual components, making it possible to create an antidote. Step 3. Animal immunization. A large animal, like this beautiful horse, is immunized with small, non-lethal doses of the venom. This stimulates the animal's immune system to produce antibodies against the venom. This is a crucial step in creating antivenom. The antibodies produced by the animal will help neutralize the venom in humans. It's amazing to think about how these animals are helping us develop life-saving medicine. Once the animal has produced antibodies, its blood is collected and the antibodies are extracted and purified. This involves several steps, including centrifugation, filtration, and chromatography. This is the final stretch. The purified antibodies are now ready to be formulated into antivenom. It's incredible to think about how far we've come, from collecting venom from snakes to creating a life-saving medicine. The final step is formulation and packaging. The purified antibodies are formulated into a usable product and then packaged into vials or ampoules, ready for distribution and use. And that's it. That's how antivenom is made. From snake bites to life-saving medicine, it's an incredible journey. Thanks for joining me on this fascinating journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more science videos.